With the help of basic electronics kit, one can easily differentiate between series and parallel connection in the house or industries. Light emitting diode, resistor, transistor, jumper wires, breadboard, battery. When the circuit is open, the light emitting diode will not glow, and when we close the circuit it will glow automatically. It works on the principle of flow of charge, that is electricity. Students will able to explore the difference between good conductor and bad conductor, and they will also understand the flow of electricity through body.